Welcome to Aston Martin and welcome to this timeless DB9 Volante. This particular car is a 2013 on a 63 plate covering just under 25,000 miles from new. We sold the vehicle new and also to its second keeper with a full Aston Martin service history. Let's take you a bit of a run round, show you some of the colours and trims, and we'll also run through some of the optional content on this car. So as you can see, this particular car is finished in the stunning quantum silver, which is a beautiful colour, very glossy, very liquidy to look at. So it's got a high level of lustre on the car, and obviously was a colour that was used for Quantum of Solace, or to celebrate Quantum of Solace. On the sort of the general theme of the car, so you've got a lot of bright work on this car. So we have the bright finish front grille with the bright aluminium louvres on the bonnet as well. That runs into your side strakes and also your tail pipes on the rear of the vehicle. Quite subtly, this car has just got the silver and diamond turned wheels, along with the brake calipers behind the rim as well. Moving around the back of the vehicle. So standard for 13 model year DB9, obviously it was a redesigned car or a re-released car. This was sort of the first of the DB9 Volantes. And a few changes that they sort of made over the look of the Virage. So Virage was sort of the design, and then it moved on with a few bits, like we had the slightly bigger boot tail with the more sunken number plate on the back as well. And we had the clear rear lights with the grey surround around the edge of the vehicle as well. Very subtly spec this car, so it was more about the colour of the vehicle, not necessarily about the content of the options that are on the outside of the car. But what we'll do is we'll run you through on the interior as well, and we'll show you a few bits and pieces on there. So on the inside of the vehicle, we have this lovely obsidian black leather interior with a phantom grey stitching and also welting on the car. The welting was introduced on 13 model year DB9, so it ran around the headrest, down the centre of the seats, but also through the armrest and up the centre of the dash as well. We also have the obsidian black carpet along with the black piano veneer as well. Things like your glass switches and your heated seats and memory seats, they were all sort of standard features of 13 model year DB9. To be fair, with 13 model year DB9, there wasn't a great deal you could option on the car, really, other than sort of your caliper wheel colours and also your exterior colours and leather trims. Most of the spec that was on the car was standard. We also have a reverse camera. You also got your Bluetooth streaming, and this particular car has had a DAB radio unit fitted to the car as well, the aftermarket Aston DAB radio. We also have cruise control, and also the sort of the lighter buttons and switches, so all the switch gear inside the car is all in a brushed aluminium finish. This vehicle is available on our website, which is hwmastonmartin.co.uk, or you can give us a call here in the showroom. We'll be happy to help where we can. Thank you.